Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to create our third section, which is going to show the menu of the breakfast. So absolutely it will be looks like as this one. So now let's have a go to our application, which is this one. So here guys, I'm just gonna click, let me go a little down and click to this plus button here and select to column. Okay, so next thing I want to put a heading here, so go to components, select heading, drag and drop it here, and here we go. We have to change this one to the traditional breakfast. So I'm just gonna copy this one here. I'm gonna put it here, traditional breakfast. So let's change this style to the completely black color, and I think it looks nice now. And the next thing we have to do, I'm just gonna copy this one to paste here. Okay, and change it to the fresh and healthy. Okay. Okay, also as you can see here we have a little space from the top, so let's ever put it there. Click this edit section at once and click this link values together to uncheck it and write 20. So we have a little space from top as this one. Maybe we can put 25. It's gonna be looks like more better. Okay, update. And now let's put this menu to do here, and to do that click to the components, go to text editor, drag and drop it here. Okay, so I'm just gonna delete this one here, and let me get the menu from the assets that I have created before. Go to restaurant folder, and this is the menu that we have to get, traditional breakfast menu. Okay, so let me copy all the text here and go here and paste here. Okay, it looks fine, but the only thing that we have to change this heading of the each menu, I mean each food. So I'm gonna click the edit text editor and I'm gonna select to farm fresh eggs and click the bold. It looks a little more bold now, but we have to change the color to the completely black. So let's click the text color and change it to the black. Okay, so we have to do the same thing for each title. So I'm gonna do the same thing, click this one, click this one. Okay, and for the combo breakfast, okay, homemade corned beef, okay, corn meal mash, and lastly mom's homemade sweet roll. Okay, and now we need to get the menu for this fresh and healthy. So let me go to my folder, and here let me open this menu here, fresh and healthy. I'm gonna copy it and go to components, drag and drop text editor to the here. This is the wrong place, to the here, and paste it here. Somehow it's not working. Yeah, it's okay now. So we have to change the title as well for each menu here. So black, okay, that looks nice. Bold, text color black. I know this is not the easy, I think this is the time consuming that we are doing here, but nothing to do. This is our job, so we have to do it. Fresh fruit bowl. Okay, so now when I click to update and close this section here, as you can see our menu is looks nice. I think the space is okay here. Maybe we have to put a little space here, but I think it's okay now. Okay, so now let's create this lunch and dinner menu. So let's come here, guys, and I'm not gonna create everything from scratch. Instead, I'm just gonna copy this section and I'm gonna paste it here. And also I'm gonna get this breakfast menu section here, copy it and paste it here as well. Okay, so we need to change this image here and the text as well to the lunch and dinner. So let me copy it. Okay, let me copy it completely. Okay, lunch and dinner menu. Right click to the edit section. For the style, delete, go to upload files and choose lunch and dinner image here. Okay, upload it and everything is okay. The looks fine. So the last thing we have to change is titles to salads and more. Okay, edit heading, salads and more. There's chicken, roasted turkey. Okay, and also we have to change these menus as well. So for this one, let me go to the salads and lunch and dinner menu, copy this one, and I will change completely here. Okay, so looks fine. So change the taxes again. Why it's not working? Because we didn't choose it. Yes. We did a Cobb salad, turkey. Okay, chef salad. You don't have to do the all of them, but I'm doing because I think it's going to look more better. But if you don't want to do it, just leave it like that. And in the next section, even I'm not going to do it. I'm just doing for this section. So for this chicken and roasted turkey menu, let me get it here. For the chicken, this one, text editor. Okay, completely black, bold. Then we need this roasted turkey and breast and something, and the chicken fingers. That's the last one. Okay, and for the last section, guys, we have to get this desert image. So let me copy this section here. Let me copy it, paste it here, and for this one, for the menu, let me copy and paste it here as well. Up, with it wrong. Okay. Okay, I think it looks nice here. What's wrong here? Okay, so let me change the image style. Let me delete this one or select files, and we're gonna get this desert image and insert media, and I'm gonna change it to deserts. Okay, so this is going to be homemade, or let me just copy it. Homemade pies, cakes and more. Okay, it's going to be cakes and more. And for the menu, guys, let me get it from here. Homemade pies, this is what we are looking for. Let me copy it here, edit text, let me put it here. Okay, it looks nice. And the last one is, I think it's this one, homemade cheesecake. And let me paste it here. Okay, so update, let me close it. And as you can see, we have created our good looking restaurant menus here. Okay guys, in the next video we will learn how to create this contact us section, and also we will learn how to create this menu here. So see you in the next video.